Eddie, thank you. There seems to be little dispute that Paul Ciancia is the man who opened fire inside Terminal 3 at LAX last month. But we were there as Ciancia entered a not guilty plea in federal court. NBC4's Patrick Healy is live with our first look at what might be Ciancia's defense. Patrick.
Kathy and Chuck, that trial could come as soon as February. It will be here at the Roybal building downtown. But in the meantime, the U.S. attorney will consider whether to seek the federal death penalty, and Ciancia's defense likely will have expert help probe his mental state. Inside the jail hearing room this morning, Paul Ciancia told the judge he's not guilty. But that does not mean his defenders will challenge the accusation that on that frightful morning inside LAX Terminal 3, it was Ciancia who targeted TSA officers, killing Gerardo Hernandez and wounding 3 other persons. Ciancia allegedly still had the assault rifle when police confronted him and took him down with gunfire. Not the makings of a whodunit.
No, that's not going to happen in this situation. It's pretty clear that he's the culprit in this one.
Attorney and former public defender Shapiro is not involved in the Ciancia defense, but he agreed to share his insight into the process.
One thing that is going to be explored is sanity. Was he showing signs of insanity at the time of this incident? Also, is he currently competent to stand trial given the mental state that he's in?
The unemployed 23-year-old from New Jersey remains held in a jail medical ward. Injuries to his face and neck still apparent. His voice still hoarse, but he was able to communicate, as witnessed by the designated media observers in the tiny hearing room.
He actually said not guilty in that very hoarse, raspy voice.
He appeared somber, maybe a little bit sad.
Authorities allege Ciancia left an anti-government rant proclaiming his intention to instill fear in traitorous hearts, unquote. Ciancia could face the death penalty, though the assistant U.S. attorneys assigned to the case have yet to reveal if they'll seek it.
It is a multi-layered process.
Defense attorneys have given no indication of strategy, but Shapiro said mental illness can play a role even absent an insanity plea.
They will probably try to garner the appropriate mental health records that could back up any type of mitigation to say this is not the kind of person who should be put to death.
Interestingly, it does not have to be made public when the defense seeks a court appointment for a psychiatric evaluation. So it's possible that has already happened in Ciancia's case. He's due back at this court on January 27th for a pretrial. At that point, we may find if they're actually going to go to trial in February. Live downtown, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.